Gowns and hats on, here we stand. A brand new chapter is right at hand. The journey is finished, the waiting is done.
We crossed the finish line one by one. Side by side we breathe it all in.
This is the moment our lives begin. Look at us now, we're ready to rise. We stood together with our eyes on the prize. Pushed through the lows, broke down every wall. Now we have made it and we're standing up tall. This is our moment, hear the victory scream. Embracing achievements, we are living the dream.
Yeah, we stand together,
Shouting with pride, with lifelong friends right by our side.
to all of the ones who cheered us along, who guided our steps and made us stay strong. Thank you for lifting us
Up through the fight, for giving advice and for being our light. You shared in the struggle, you gave us the drive. Because of your love, look how we thrive.
So here we stand,
Strong and bold,
ready to soar
and find new highs. The world is ours to hold. And when the caps fly high in the air,
and the crowd starts to roar, we'll see you out there.
yeah, we'll tear through the sky. We'll open our eyes.
'Cause you and I know we were made for more.
Look at us now, we're ready to rise. We stood together with our eyes on the prize. Pushed through the lows, broke down every wall. Now we have made it and we're standing up tall. This is our moment, hear the victory scream. Embracing achievements, we are living a dream.
Yeah, we stand together,
Shouting with pride, with lifelong friends right by your side. Held high,
watch how we fly.
no matter the distance,
No matter the weather,
through all of the years.
we stand together. Friends right by our side. Look at us now, we're ready to rise. We stood together with our eyes on the prize.
We stand together,
Heads held high,
watch how we fly.
no matter the distance,
No matter the distance,
no matter the weather.
through all of the years, we stand together.